meeting today. Daddy, we have meeting today. Teacher said every parents will bring food.
And then?
And then I pick lechon.
Lechon? Really? Za, next time, you ask Papang first before you decide. Wala man taman eh.
But teacher said, guwapo na macho na papa, muna lechon yun na.
Sige lang. Mangutang tanak. Ayaw, di ma. Kalechon ta. 50 kilos. 50 kilos ng lechon. Ikaw bala ka. Again, teacher, ako bala. Pagtulog na.